everyone, how are you guys today? So we decided to go out for a quick spin on the boat. It's a really lovely weather today, so should be fine. You can see there's a lot of people outside. There's even surfers out there. So now I have to jump off the FV and wait for Chris to launch the boat. Oh, I really can't wait. It's really flat calm. So now I'm gonna jump in the boat while waiting for him. He has to park the FV. So this is the boat, guys. It's actually really good. There's his fishing rods. We might just go out for a spin, but we might try to get some squid or some whiting, but see how it goes. It's just a lovely night. And off we go! I'm gonna be driving in a bit. Just wait for the captain for his go signal.
Where are we off to, Skipper?
Well, I hope we'll get some. Yeah, so guys, enjoy the view. This is the lovely Adelaide. We're always so lucky to be near the coast, near the water, near the beach. He's getting ready for us to catch some fish.